Ava, take time with her, take time with her. Did you know there's a whole river under the Mandela Highway?
What other name could it be?
A good salesman. You don't fly away.
You look so little different. Mommy, and that's Daddy. We found
You found her. You have roast corn?
Yes,
How you sell it?
250 a one.
Morning, neighbors. How are you doing today? It's Saturday, October 15, I believe, and it's the beginning of Heroes Weekend in Jamaica. On Monday is a holiday, Heroes Day, where we remember not just the contribution of our national heroes, but also on Monday, Jamaica normally has a ceremony to recognize those people who were selfless in certain acts. You know, people like, if you saw somebody drowning in river and he just jumped in selflessly, those kind of things they recognize, or everyday heroes, right? Yeah, so we don't really have anything planned, but there's a lot to do today, and I want to take Leila and Zahra in particular somewhere to see some things you'll see later in the video, if what I have in mind works out. But I said I'll just come out quickly and get some gas and draw some cash. Get some gas, draw some cash. Right, so how are you doing though? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the holiday if you're a Jamaican? If not, then how should you have to go work Monday? Oh no! Alright, everybody ready to go?
Yes.
We have Hannah here today, everybody. Hannah is putting a guest appearance. We don't normally say Hannah, but everybody asks for Hannah. So Hannah, say hi.
Hello.
Anything else you want to say?
Have a good day today.
Have a good day today. Words of wisdom from Hannah. So, many stops today. And Eden and Ava are on the back.
Have a lovely day.
Have a lovely day. Okay, we're going to tell them have a lovely day. Alright. Eden and Ava are on the back. Mommy's at home because she has some work obligations to attend to. So I'm being daddy daycare today and keeping them away from mommy, so mommy's not distracted. Right, so first up, drop off Hannah. Or kind of want to drop off Eden and Ava first?
No.
You're going to be late?
Yes.
Hannah's class, so we need to get there first. Do you love him? Yeah. Do you love him? Yes.
Do you love it? Yeah. Do you love it? Yes. I love Jesus.
Do you love him? Alright, change of plans. We're going to actually drop off Eden and Ava first at my mom's house. Then go to Hannah's class. Mana, and then I carry Leila and Zahra out. Love him on a Monday, love him on a Sunday, love him on a Tuesday, love him on a Thursday. Love him every day, right? Okay. Sleepy, wakey, wakey. Ava, wakey, wakey. Edie, wakey, wakey. Edie. Edie. We're at grandma's house. Ava. Take time with her, take time with her. We're at grandma's house. Alright, she's okay now, baby. Grandma, here you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Later. Bye-bye. Bye, Ava.
Bye-bye, Grandma. Bye, Dada.
Alright, on Mandela Highway now. Tell me who in the neighborhood knew this. Tell me who knew this. Did you know there's a whole river under the Mandela Highway? There's a whole river under the Mandela Highway. So there's water that goes from over here, flows under the road, and that's the bridge, and that's the Mandela Highway. Who knew that? Anyway, back to dropping Hannah off. Hannah and I are arguing whether or not the river has a name, and I think the river has a name. Does anybody in the neighborhood know the name of the river? Hannah calls it Mandela River.
What other name could it be?
It cannot be Mandela River because it must flow to somewhere more significant.
But it flows through Mandela.
But it could flow through Papine. But the river is called Hope River, not Papine River. See? So who knows the name of the river? You get 10 points. Drop it in the comments. Don't ask me where the 10 points going to, but you get 10 points. Drop it in the comments now. Now for the first stop with Leila and Zahra. No, it's not the zoo, it's the park. Come out, come. Yes, Emancipation Park.
Pink for the pink.
Much one. Alright, I get him. You want to see it? Alright. Want a ball as well?
Yes, I look good with it, fit with it. Oh, she hold this in her hand.
You want the ball?
She hold it. Look how it looks so nice. No man, that you keep it with the string.
You're a good salesman.
But it don't go
You don't
away.
fly
So
away.
I have to have with the string.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So we're not even reached the gate yet, but Jamaicans in all their brilliant sales work sell we things we never ever asked for, but I'm sure they'll enjoy it. You remember here? No, you don't. It's amazing how clean and well kept this park is. Who can tell me what year this park was opened? It's been a while and it looks better every time I come here. Take a look. Bubble, show the bubbles again. Woo! It looks better every time I come here. The grass is extremely well kept. Trust me, green to till. Lovely view. On your mark, get set, go! Run! Very good. Alright, come, we're going to look for the heroes, okay? Huh?
I don't see none
You
yet.
don't see none yet?
No.
You know who this one is? You don't know this one?
Samsung.
Which one is that one?
Samsung.
No, this one is Bustamante, Sir William Alexander Bustamante. Alright, let's look at this one. You learned this one about this one yet? I don't think you learned this one yet. This is Norman Manley. Norman Manley. Say Norman Manley. Say Norman Manley. Okay. Alright, come, we're going to say Paul Bogle now, okay? Which one is Paul Bogle? This one right here? You sure? Yes, this is Mr. Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle, the man himself. And do you know that there's actually controversy over Paul Bogle's picture? This may not actually be Paul Bogle because this image is of you see other people, different names of the same image, the same look. So it's controversial. You know who this one is? This one is Marcus Garvey. Marcus, say Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Very good. So you're going to learn about the rest of them when you go to school next week, okay? Come, let's look. We'll soon get to Nanny, okay? This is George William Gordon. This is Sam Sharp right here. He looks different. He kind of does look different though. But this is Sam Sharp. Let's go look for Nanny now. Nanny. Nanny of the Maroons. She's over there. Alright. This is Nanny. Nanny of the Maroons. Huh?
He looks a little different.
She looks a little different?
Yes.
Oh, does Nanny look the same to you, baby?
Yes.
Mine, she looks the same to you? Okay.
This one don't have anything.
This one is where we're going to put Mommy. So Mommy, when Mommy becomes a national hero, we're going to put her right up here. Okay?
Mommy and that's Daddy.
That's Mommy and that's Daddy? Alright, so this is the main attraction. I actually want to carry them to Heroes Park, Heroes Circle. But apparently, when they came last year, they weren't as aware and they weren't in school to actually be hearing about the heroes. So it's more real to them now, so they're actually enjoying themselves. I said they want to play a little, so I'm going to let them run around. And hopefully we can find the time to head to Hero Circle because I don't even know what it's like there. Go and play ball. I'm not sure, this is what? Is this calabash? These things are on the trees. I'm not a country guy and I haven't started my farming career as yet, but this looks like calabash. I don't know. Oh yes, common name calabash. Zahra, Leila, we're going to leave now, okay?
No.
Yes, we have one more stop to make. Zahra, we're going to leave now, alright? We'll have one more stop to make, okay? So come, let's go, we'll have one more stop. Come. Everybody inside.
It's a ball.
Here. Yes, go to the ball.
Can
Yes, not in the car. Tina would have enjoyed a day like this, you know, just to relax and stuff. I think she needs it now on a little pressure. But tomorrow's a Sunday, definitely going to try to come out again, go somewhere, and just kick back, let our hair down, and have a little good time because Monday's a holiday, as I said, so there's no rush and great demand for school the next day for the kids, and so yeah, so we're gonna try to get that done for Tina tomorrow. So for those who've never been like myself, welcome to the National Heroes Park. That's what they called, the Heroes Circle National Heroes Park, I think it's called. And we're going to set foot in there for the first time now to see what it's all about. I must admit it feels much more serious than Emancipation Park. I don't think they expect it to be playing here and take the kids here. There are signs like keep off the grass, so it's not that kind of vibe like Emancipation Park. Let's see what it's like though. National Heroes Park. It's hot. Yeah, this is definitely not for kids their age. This is for big people. You know, a more, you know, primary school or high school kind of vibes. They're not interested in this, so I'm not going to bore them too much. Quick look though, guys. Let me give you a quick spin. What's that one? That's Norman Manley. Norman Manley. You want to find Nanny? Alright, let's see if we can find Nanny. Why Nanny is your favorite?
Straight down is this way.
Straight down?
Straight down.
Oh, this way. Alright, respect here. So you're going to have to come and look for yourself if you want to see all the heroes. So visit the Heroes Park if you want to, but we're just going to show you Marcus Garvey and Nanny because they are dying to see Nanny. So yes, this is Who is this one? Who is this one?
Paul Bogo.
No, this is Marcus Garvey. He kind of looks like Paul Bogo.
Yes.
This one is Marcus Garvey. See him right here too? Come, see him right? See Marcus Garvey.
Yes.
That's Marcus Garvey's statue. Right?
And it's wet.
It looks wet. It's not wet. They just probably put oil into or something, make it look very shiny. It's Marcus Garvey. Alright, let's go and find your favorite. Who's your favorite hero?
Nanny.
Nanny. Let's go and find Nanny. Let's go and find Granny of the Maroons. Where is that? That's Nanny? Yes, this is Nanny. Who is that one? Nanny of the Maroons. The founder. Nanny. Right, this is Nanny of the Maroons. Let's look at her own. Come. Morning. See, this is Nanny's monument. These are things from, I guess, the Maroon. What them call this? The blow thing of them blow. Tina, what I tell me? She know them things. She know history. I've never been a history person. But yeah, this is Nanny's monument. Yeah. Come, don't go any further. Come. Alright. But it's definitely a beautiful property. Well kept again. JDF soldiers are around the place. So you can't come and thief any monument or do any badness. Right, so you know me with the sweating, and they are also, them enjoying themselves too. They want to go to the playground. I don't know if we can. I'm going to see if it's even allowed. We're out of here now. You want to see the rest of the heroes and the monuments? Come on down and see. They are determined to go on the playground, and I really don't want to, but see if we can get them 5 minutes. Sun hot, man, sun hot. Wait on me. This playground is dedicated with the prayer that God would bless the children of Kingston, Jamaica. September 2008, Campus Crusade for Christ. Big up Campus Crusade for Christ. Good. We're going to do this slide one time. Yeah, sun ablaze. Come, we're leaving now. Let's race to the car. Run to the car. Run to the car. Run to the car, run! Who won? Who's the winner? Ah. Woo! Just what you said?
The sun is hot.
The sun is super hot. Ah. Back in the car, we're going to get back Hannah now. Yeah, so that was just to keep him occupied while Hannah has her class, like a holiday experience. And so pick up Hannah, head back home, because I'm tired already, believe you me. Since I'm here, going to see if I can get a roast corn for Tina. She like them thing there, so see if I can pick it up.
Corn for Tina?
Yes, for mommy. Not for Tina, for mommy, for you. Yeah, she like them thing here. Hi, Mom. You have roast corn?
Yes.
How you sell it?
250 I want.
Give me tuna, please.
Coconut?
Coconut?
Yeah, get coconut.
How that work?
Buy the can and coconut together.
Coconut water?
No, coconut instead. Like jelly.
Yeah, she was very patient, but she gave up at this point and not tough head. You want crab? Too spicy, okay. How you say it work? With the jelly? Oh, jelly coconut. This, okay, yeah man. I'm part of the combo?
Yeah.
Yeah man, if I'm part of the combo, give me. Cold pack. And the crab. So, you could tell me that when you buy a corn, so this is the roast corn. I'm not even going to have mine. I'm going to wait until I get home to have with Tina. This is roasted onto burnt, but it's roasted. But she was saying the jelly thing. I never know this was a thing. She gave me the coconut. I've never had corn this way, but apparently it's a thing. I'll see if Tina know about it when I reach home. So I pick up Hannah now, and we were listening to the radio a while ago. And Hannah asked them a question.
You tell them.
No, just don't get on the answer, just ask them the question and ask them to answer it in the comments.
Okay.
Sammy Plant?
Yeah, what the tummy plants?
Alright, you should have asked me, right? So you know the song Sammy Plant, Donut Gully, right? The question is, what did
Tummy plants.
Sammy Plant?
At the gully.
Exactly. So in the comments,
Answer in the comments what you think the answer is. I got it
Right.
wrong because I don't want to know.
most people get it wrong, but put in the comments and let's just see if there's any brilliant person in the comments. So Sammy Plant, Donut Gully, what did Sammy Plant?
Where did you get all this stuff?
Go.
I was just eating like a whole bunch of chocolate because you said you would have been here like an hour ago.
Chocolate, man.
The chocolate that you bought, the 2 bars of
Oh.
chocolate that you bought for me this morning.
This is yours.
Okay, what is that? Is that rose curd from here circle?
Yes. I don't know how it's going to taste now though.
It's cold.
Do you know how lift it up, lift up the corn.
Corn?
Look in the bag.
What is that? Coconut?
You know about that?
I didn't know they did that, but I haven't eaten this kind of coconut, oxo coconut in years.
Apparently it's like a combo, so I don't know.
Mommy.
Oh,
I don't know how it's going to taste.
I'm eager to try this.
You had a good time? You had a good time, Leila and Zahra?
How was it? How was it? Did you see all of the statues and what do you call those again?
Monuments?
Monuments, right?
We
The
saw
monuments to the
Mommy's
national
talking to you.
heroes. Yeah. Did you see all the monuments to the national heroes?
Yeah.
Did you see the one to Bustamante?
Yes.
What about Nani?
Yes.
You saw Nani's own?
Mhm.
Awesome. Okay, great.
Alright. So neighbors, wrapping up. I'm tired. It's been just a couple of hours that I really feel tired. Going to eat some food. Hope you have a great Thursday when it comes if you're in Jamaica, and make sure you go to work if you live anywhere else. Go to people work tomorrow. Alright, so
Tomorrow's Sunday though.
no, they'll be seeing
right.
the video on Sunday.
Sorry.
Alright, so until next time on the next vlog. Big up from me and my host.
Can we hear a Jamaican land we love?
Jamaica. 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 Land we love.
Alright. Land we love, not land we are, but you work on that.
Jamaica land we are, indeed.
Alright.
Jamaica. Jamaica.